Grand Mall. I'm together with Ate Jocelyn. And we are about to have shopping. It is because one of the things that she wanted, she already listed here. And so we have some school supplies. So we are going to buy it here in the Grand Mall. Ready na ka? So we have here the things that Ate Jocelyn needs. So you can nagustuhan nilang so school uniform. Ato na lang sa mama ni Kisha. Gusto niya school uniform hindi pang ini ka high school nimo. Okay, so very good. High school since you are graduating already, right? Okay. So the school shoes, media, so socks, kanang puti o black, white and black. Okay. Ball pen, paper, notebook, scissors, watercolor, construction, and many more. So first, since we're already here at the school supplies area, so we will buy first the school supplies, ha? Magko sa tag-box ay katong basket. Magira? Batan din. Construction paper. Batan. Then bond paper. Isa to short, nag-long lang ka. Asa ba? Pangkuan na ning high school. Money ang gamiton. Color. Ay, anong baliw na? Ay, dada. Okay na, sige. Sige, ganan magkaka... Ibutang nga lang ga. Kanan sa na, small na lang. O, kanan. Sige. Hindi, sunod. Tanawa daw. Tuliw. Kana? Nanagad ka? Sige daw, ilakaw daw. Kung di ba mahukos. Okay ka? O, sige ka na. Gana, nagaka? Sakto ka man, no? Okay. Wipes? May wipes sa lang. Safeguard din yung sabon? Wala. Dali, sunod. Ha? Ayun na, uhaw. Ha? Kapoy. Kapoy, kaglakaw. Okay, so, naabot na kita, no? Yay! So, mauto na ko ti, and then, kanang palihog na lang ko arrange na ti, kay murag, nakuan dyan siya sa inyong higdaanan ba. So, ug mainday, kanang tiwas ang tagpalit sa katong kuwang nimo ha, itong solar, itong bugas, ito na sa mo listahan, nagaman ni mo. Okay, so, tomorrow, tiwas na to, after our class, ato lang tapalit sa bugas and solar ha, mangita si teacher. So, salamat kayo ate and inday. So, tanan nga imuhang gi-shopping karon and gi-purchase for your needs is from
이창건이 만족하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, sige. So, tulog na ha. I-arrange lang po na. Thank you ate. Bye-bye lang. Good night.
Okay, class. So tonight, I have a poem here. So, ang poem, pasabot ana, is isa ka tula. So, ato basahon ang poem ha. Ikaw man akong basa, kamo. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. First is ang title. Friendship Poem.
Friendship point.
Oh, what a joy it is
Oh, what a joy it is
to have
to have
a friend like you,
a friend like you,
for giving me
for giving me
strength,
strength,
the way you do,
the way you do,
the way you do,
the way you do,
for lifting me up,
for lifting me up,
again, for lifting me up
for lifting me up
when I'm feeling down,
when I'm feeling down,
when I'm feeling down,
when I'm feeling down,
and putting
and putting
a smile
a smile
on my face,
on my face,
and putting
and putting
a smile
a smile
on my face
on my face
when I'm
when I'm
wearing a frown,
wearing a frown,
when I'm
when I'm
wearing a frown.
wearing a frown.
Thanks for being there.
Thanks for being there.
Again, thanks for being there
Thanks for being there
and helping me grow,
and helping me grow
and helping me grow.
and helping me grow.
Your friendship
Your friendship
means a lot.
means a lot.
This I'd like you to know.
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 Again, this I'd like you to know.
This I'd like you to know.
Okay, so mauna siya ang atong poem. Ang title kay
Friendship.
Friendship Poem.
Friendship point.
Again, Friendship Poem.
Friendship point.
Again,
Friendship point.
together.
Friendship point.
Unsay title?
Friendship point.
Okay, very good.